Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Shungsun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 5 ways to increase your affiliate sales. Most home business owners are involved with affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, a combination of techniques can be used to promote your affiliate website and/or link. Here are 5 things you can do to help with your promotional efforts, resulting in increased affiliate sales. 1. Become an expert on the product. The most successful affiliate marketers are experts on the products they promote. To become an expert, it's highly recommended that you purchase the product yourself to gain first-hand experience using it. If you cannot purchase the product, you must thoroughly research it until you become familiar and knowledgeable enough to promote it. 2. Participate in chat rooms related to the product. You can start your own chat or join an existing one. Do not try to selling initially, but during your chat, mention the product you are promoting and describe its benefits. If there is interest in your product, you can then refer them to the product through your affiliate link. The same concept holds true for forums and discussion boards. 3. Write your own affiliate program ads. Most merchants will provide pre-written ads for their affiliates to use. If you write your own ad, or make significant changes to the one that's pre-written, your ad will stand out from the others. Done properly, this will give you a great advantage over those affiliates that are using the same ad as everyone else. 4. Create a free newsletter or e-zine. Submit your newsletter to the e-zine directories and promote it on your website. Keep in mind that most subscribers are interested in receiving information that can help them. If you use your mailing list solely for selling, you will never gain credibility and will end up with a high unsubscribe rate. After you've developed a relationship and the trust of your subscribers, you can then recommend the products you are promoting. 5. Create a free ebook. As part of your ebook, include an advertisement and a link to your affiliate website. The ebook can be given away free or used as an incentive to sign up for your newsletter. Submit your ebook to the ebook directories and offer it to other webmasters for inclusion on their website. The more exposure your ebook receives, the more sales you can make. By using the techniques outlined above and always striving to become an expert on the products you promote, you are sure to see an increase in your affiliate sales, resulting in higher commission payments. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Coco Shungsun pays you to have fun. CocoShungsun.net